Good evening, all. Today we are discussing about user types in SAP system, where we will find these user types in SU01 transaction code. In login tab, we will find these user types: dialog user, system user, communication user, service user, and reference user. These are the five different user types. Let's we discuss what are all the scenarios where we will use these user types, and all we will discuss now. First of all, dialog user is can dialog user can interact with SAP system. Users need to log in manually. There is a password policy and multiple logins are allowed. Okay, where we will use Uh, these dialog user is the most common user type for human interactions with the SAP system, where we will use regular employees, consultants, developers, and administrators who need to interact with SAP transaction. Coming to system user, this user type is designed for background process and system to system communication, means RFCs, remote function calls, internal remote function calls. There is no password policy. Okay, the single session. System users are typically limited to one session at a time, where we will use background jobs, internal RFCs, ALE, and workflow process. Then next, coming to communication user. Communication user same as system user. Here, where it is this user is used in external RFCs. When we connect SAP to SAP system or SAP to non-SAP system, in those scenarios, we will use communication user type. Coming to service user type, service user type is used for mass users or anonymous users, particularly in internet or intranet applications. Shared logins. Service users are often shared among many people. They are useful when multiple users do not require personalized access. No password expiry policy and no automatic password change. User unable to change their password. Users only administrator can change their password. Can change the password. Okay, where we will use in training sessions, where scenarios where several users need to access to the same functionality under a single user account. Reference user. Reference user is not used for direct login. Instead, it serves as a template for assigning roles and authorizations to other users. No login allowed. Authorizations management, where we will use role assignment for internet users or case where the same permissions are applied to multiple users. Uh, let me conclude quickly. Dialog user is a human interactive user. Humans can interact with SAP system. System user for internal RFCs and background jobs. Communication user for external RFCs. Service user for anonymous or shared user access. Reference user for role based assignment without direct login. This is all about user types in SAP system. Thank you.